Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man? What's your name real quick and what else in here?
My name's Ryan. I got 2 X12s, 2 cab, 2 Ks. That's about it.
Okay. Do you know the specs in your enclosure?
No, I built it myself.
Okay.
It's tune low.
Tune low?
Yeah.
So is this a 4th order base?
It's basically gonna be a 6 when I get done. It's unfinished.
Okay. Nice. What is your electrical like?
I got a 250 amp all. I got 1 bank of LTO cells. And that's it.
Alright.
You gotta give something new to say. Like what? His name is something else. Juicebox. have something new to say. Like what? His name is something else. Juicebox.
can go down to 22. But
22?
I'm
Yeah.
trying to get to 20.
20? Okay.
And then I'll probably just add up. a
Yeah,
little
add up.
bit.
Thank you. What was your name?
Ryan Field.
Ryan. Thank you, Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a good day, man.
You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.